In today's video, we will take you to the world of extremely dangerous and powerful chainsaw machines, incredible tree felling scenes, and a humorous situation involving an amateur tree feller that you won't believe could happen in the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any exciting content. Let's explore right now. The Stihl MS 880 chainsaw, with an output of 8.7 horsepower and a cylinder displacement of 121.6 cc, is a true beast. When the saw is running, the engine roars with tremendous power, turning large logs into toothpicks in the blink of an eye. It slices through wood as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. The operator needs no ear, eye, or hand protection, as he commands a powerful machine, a symbol of confidence and strength. This is truly the tool of real men. A strong man is using a Stihl chainsaw, demonstrating how to fell a tree safely using the bore cut technique. The saw roars through the air as he performs each step with skill and confidence. In my opinion, this is the perfect method for cutting trees safely, far superior to using a second wedge. This technique is not only effective, but also provides peace of mind, avoiding serious issues that can arise when only making the face and back cuts without leaving enough of a hinge. Safety is always the top priority, and using the correct technique with a Stihl chainsaw is essential. Vantec Industria de Maquinas proudly presents the Tandem Eucalypto Band saw, a masterpiece of technology and power. The saw roars to life, with each sharp blade gliding through eucalyptus logs with superior precision and efficiency. This is not just a saw, but a symbol of innovation and quality, providing users with reliability and excitement every time they work. With the Tandem Eucalypto, every cut showcases strength and finesse, delivering optimal performance for every task. A hard-working and strong woman is using a McCulloch saw to effortlessly cut logs. With creativity, she applies a new method, enabling her to quickly and efficiently cut willow trees. The saw roars as each sharp blade glides smoothly through the wood, showcasing her skill and strength. Watching her work, one can see her determination and relentless spirit, demonstrating women's ability to conquer even the toughest challenges. The McCulloch saw becomes a reliable tool, helping her complete the task excellently and with great pride. The Logosol Farmer's M8 combined with the Stihl MS 391 chainsaw has created the simplest and most practical saw I have ever seen. With its innovative design, this saw is not only efficient, but also provides absolute safety for the operator. Congratulations on this innovation, as it not only enhances productivity, but also protects the daily workers. Watching the saw operate smoothly, I feel a sense of satisfaction and peace of mind, knowing that every cut is made safely and accurately. This truly represents a remarkable advancement in chainsaw technology, bringing confidence and excitement to every worker. Strong men are testing the high-displacement chainsaws Stihl MS 881 Husqvarna 3120 XP, and Holtzforma G 888 on oak logs as hard as stone. All three saws are perfectly tuned, and as I always say, the sharpest chains slice through the rock-hard wood effortlessly. The saws roar and pieces of wood fall, bringing a sense of power and excitement. This is a testament to the strength and superior efficiency of these chainsaws, providing joy and a sense of conquest with each use. Congratulations to the creativity and skill of these men. They have truly mastered these beasts. In a small sawmill, a man and a woman are diligently cutting black walnut logs using a Wood-Mizer LT35. Beautiful black walnut boards emerge, revealing sharp grain patterns and mystical colors. These are undoubtedly some of the finest black walnut logs I have ever seen. The sound of the saw echoes, bringing a sense of satisfaction and pride. I can envision the exquisite furniture crafted from these boards, showcasing a perfect blend of technique and artistry. In a swampy area near Ufa and the surrounding regions, a man is using a chainsaw to fell a very large old tree. Seeing the towering tree, many might wonder why it is not being preserved, as it is a part of nature. However, there are many houses nearby, and the tree could collapse at any time, posing a danger to the community. Cutting down the tree as soon as possible is necessary to ensure safety. Each cut carries not only the power of the chainsaw, but also the responsibility of protecting people from potential hazards. Felling a tree doesn't always go as planned. When a dead tree isn't properly felled, the saw can get stuck in the cut as the tree falls. In such a situation, remember to remove the bar nuts and detach the saw head from the bar. This way, the worst that can happen is bending the bar, costing $70, instead of replacing the entire chainsaw at over $600. It's a valuable lesson and a reminder of the importance of safety and knowledge when working with chainsaws. With a Stihl MS 361 chainsaw in hand, this man is completing the task of felling the largest tree in the area. His skills are remarkable, always careful and precise with each cut. Success in this job comes not only from the power of the chainsaw, but also from a deep understanding of safety. You can't stand directly behind a tree as it falls. You must stand off to the side to avoid the risk of the tree kicking back. Watching him work, I feel a sense of pride and respect, because he is not only an excellent sawyer, but also someone who always prioritizes safety. Hey everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope these innovations have inspired and fascinated you. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our exciting upcoming content. See you in the next video.